Hey guys, Ken from Veteran Screen Printing. Today we're going to show you how to replace your platen. Now there's different ways you can do this, but we're going to show you our way. And every single press is different because every single press has different brackets. So stay tuned. After the intro, we'll dive in and show you how we do it. Alright guys, so today we're going to show you how to replace your platen. And again, every press is different because the brackets, right? So this is our bracket that goes on our press. And a couple things that you're going to need, and this is something that we always use, is so we use a drill. We use our T-square. Now with the drill, you're going to want, for ours, it takes Phillips screws, right? So, but also we put some lug nuts behind it, so it goes bracket, lug nuts, and then platen. But also you're going to need a drill bit, and the reason why is you want to start your pilot, all right, so you're not tearing up your wood as much. So what we do, also a marker, right? So on our boards we come 6 inches down and then we start it. So let's show you guys actually how we mark it up to start drilling our pilots and everything, and start adding a new platen. So again, we take our T-square, put it to the very top, and we mark it off at 6 inches because that's where our bracket's going to go, is at 6 inches. Now this particular platen is 16 inches wide, so we know the center is at 8 inches. And normally what I like to do is just mark it off down the center. Nobody's going to see this side because this is where your bracket's going to be, so nobody's going to see it. And then also I take it where I marked it at 6 inches, I also do a line as well. Now I know personally that this bracket is 4 inches, okay? And then also I know that this bracket is 4 inches this way. So I have a 4 inch by 4 inch. So what I do is I know that I'm at 8 inches to center. I come over, make a dot 2 inches to this side, and then I go over and make a dot 2 inches to that side. So now I know for a fact I have 2 inches and 2 inches. And then what I do is I just make another line going down on this side. So now I know for a fact that when I set this up like this, I can be squared on all sides, right? So let's see, when I turn this around, okay, so I do have it facing the correct way, but it doesn't really matter right now because I'm going to lay it down, and then I'm going to take a marker. I'm going to mark off where I need to drill at. So now I have 4 dots, and this is where I need to drill my pilot holes. Now with these pilot holes, you don't want to go all the way down, but just enough. And you can even put a piece of tape on here to mark it off if need be. Take it off. We'll just go through. And again, I'm just making temporary holes, you know, just to get it started. I don't want to use my screws to actually, you know, kind of be going in there. Alright, so now that I got that all lined up, go back over to the drill. And again, so I use my Platen. I use some lug nuts. And the reason why we use some lug nuts is we don't want to go all the way through with our screws. And again, like I said, every press is going to be different. So normally what I do is I just kind of twist them just a little bit to get in the holes. Make sure they're in the holes properly. Then I come in and I take the drill. And normally I don't, when I do the drill, I use a drill, not an impact, guys. I set the chuck to around 9. And with that being said, it doesn't torque them down too much. So now it is fully secured on there, and it's in the straight. Yeah, it's pretty dead on. Can't go wrong with that. Alright guys, so that's how we swap out our Platen. And again, it's very simple on how to swap this out. Again, every single press is going to be different because of the brackets. But that's how we did this one, or this is how we do ours. And it makes it very simple, very easy to do, and kind of really don't get any issues from it. But we found that using the squared boards, the ones not with the neck, are a lot easier. Reason why is for printing needs as well. But this was actually a video that somebody recommended for us to show you guys, so we did it. And again, so you can get these at screenprinting.com. We're not sponsored by Ryonet, but this is what we like to use. And the reason why is it has the white side on both sides. The sides are very the MDF board is very smooth on the sides all the way around. They do a very great job on these. And we've even had sometimes where shipping has damaged them, and we reach out to Ryonet and we say, hey, here's pictures. They were damaged, and they replaced them, and pretty quick too. So this is where we get our Platens at, is Ryonet, screenprinting.com. And again, we're not sponsored by them. We just like their product, so we love to give them a shout out. And then as well is yeah, you can pretty much get almost any Platen from them. So if you guys have questions, if you guys want other knowledge, definitely reach out. We'd love to share what we do and how we do things here at our shop. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, guys. We are starting to gain momentum, and if you guys can share this video, please share it, please like it. But if you guys want to see anything else, please leave comments, because again, this was from our comments. And somebody, well, not from the comments, somebody actually emailed us and called us and reached out, and we talked to them for a little bit, and this is something that they wanted to see. So this is what we do. We show you guys how to do different things and techniques, and so if you guys want to see something, definitely let us know. Until next time, be safe, have fun.